to my brand new Super EV. Huh? So eDrivo insurance is different from regular car insurance?
It's car insurance specially designed for EVs.
EV insurance? What's wrong with my insurance?
Your insurance is like that umbrella in your juice. Doesn't even cover you from the sun.
Huh?
It's like telling a joke, but forgetting the punchline.
What's the joke?
Your current insurance.
What's the punchline?
Your battery. If you ever run out of charge and are stranded somewhere, what does your car insurance give you?
A hug?
eDrivo car insurance gets you emergency mobile rescue
Like a superhero?
with quick DC fast charging to get you to the nearest charging station.
Whoa, a DC fast charging superhero with an extension cord.
Sure.
Never fear, Charging Man is here. Dwee, dwee, dwee. Dwee, dwee, dwee. Right.
eDrivo also gets you unlimited battery replacement in the event of damage in an accident.
Unlimited.
Unlimited.
So that would turn my already super EV into a transformer. Immortal. Unkillable. Wow. A specialized insurance for my super EV.
You drive an EV, in comes eDrivo, is your insurance.
Dude, it's not just an EV.
They got it.
No, it's a really good car.
Na 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 na.
Bro, I swear I don't
Bro, the ad is already finished.
It charges like dwee, dwee.
Oh my god, not this again.
Dude, it goes dwee, dwee, man. Dwee, dwee, dwee. Dwee.
Na 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 na.
No, it's faster.